A lot of people get confused when solving equations involving radicals, just like what we have right here. Now, here's the deal. If you have any question in this form, the first thing you need to do is to let all the terms with the radicals be on one side of the equation, then the terms without the radicals be on the other side of the equation. So with this one, I'm going to maintain the term with the radicals on the left-hand side, then those without radicals on the right. And I can only do that by subtracting 3 from each side of the equation so that this and this will go. Then on the left hand side, we'll be left with negative square root of 2x squared plus 2 is equal to negative 10. This equation right here will only be simple if you square each side of the equation. So let's go ahead and then raise each side of the equation to the second power. Now let's pay attention to this negative sign right here. This simply means negative 1, but just that we don't write the 1. So pay attention to that whenever you are solving this. So negative 1 squared is positive 1. Then the whole of this squared, it means that this and this will go. Then we will be left with 2x squared plus 2 is equal to 100. Let me change the marker. Great. Now, let's go ahead and then minus 2 on each side once again so that this and this will go. Then we'll be left with 2x squared is equal to 98. Cool. Then we'll also divide each side of the equation by 2 once again so that this and this will go. Then we'll also be left with x squared is equal to 49. We are looking for x and not x squared, so let's take square root on each side of the equation. But note, plus or minus is very important. This and this will go and we'll be left with x is equal to plus or minus 7. So this is the answer, x is plus or minus 7. Now to end everything, let's check and see whether all these answers satisfy the equation. Let's take when x is negative 7. If x is negative 7, we're going to have negative 7 squared, which is positive 49, times 2, that is 98, plus these 2, making everything right here equal to 100. Square root of 100 is 10. We have negative here, so 3 minus 10, that is negative 7. Because this is squared here, it means that when x is also positive, this is also going to work. So ladies and gentlemen, the final answer to this is x is equal to plus or minus 7. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more. See you again on the next video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.